Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today is going to be a very important day because today I'm installing my brand new C&L cold air intake and Bama tune. Let me turn you around and show you the big thing for my Mustang. Here we go. I got this all put together and ready. This thing is huge. This filter, my cat actually stuck its head in there. It was hilarious when I was putting together. Everything's big and installed. Everything's good to go. So basically I'm going to install this, take the old air box out, and I'll have a little clip of me taking everything apart and having this installed. So let's get started. So I just finished taking the air box out. That was fairly easy. Took off the PVC pipe here. We took off another pipe right over here that was plugged in on the side and unscrewed the bolt. So that came right out. Kept the whole system here. So now what I gotta do is take our mass airflow sensor out and transfer it to the new guy sitting over there. All right, let's get to it. All right, it's installed. Now we're gonna put this onto the vehicle. Well, here it is, all installed and ready to go. Gonna stick my cover back on over there. Has a cover on it. Comes in, you gotta bolt it in here instead of over here where the old one was. I'm gonna take this little clip out so I don't hear any noise from that. This is all together and good. The only difference between a 2017 Mustang and I think the earlier Mustangs is there's another port here that goes through the intake here. The 17 doesn't have that. It only has two. It has the one line here and the other line. This is the vacuum tube, so I just took the not a vacuum tube, the sound tube. I did a sound tube delete already, so I just took this off of the old one and stuck it back on here. So I'm just gonna have to cap this off or tape it off for now until I get a little cover to go on here. But now we're gonna install the tune and see how she runs. All right, guys, we're ready. Got the hood up, everything's good in there. So to get started, I got my RevX programmer computer. And what we're going to do now is we're going to program the vehicle. This thing set up so easy. All you had to do was plug this into your car, make sure you're close to a Wi-Fi signal. That's why I like this. There's Wi-Fi built in and also a cloud-based tuning system, so they can just upload stuff to the cloud and upload it straight to the tuner. This is very nice. So all I have to do now is hit program vehicle, and it's going to make sure everything's correct. I'm going to confirm, and now what it's going to have me do is wait, device updates. Alright, so it's going to ask for updates and wants me to continue through the internet. So this is what makes it very nice, is once you set up this device through the Wi-Fi, it makes it nice and easy. It'll auto-update all the stuff in this device so you don't have to worry about updating it through a computer system. So this took me literally 10 minutes. Very, very easy. But once this is ready, it should ask me to turn the car on so we can get started. All right. There's the cloud sync. We're going to be synced to that. All right. And there it is. My two custom tunes showed up. I got a 87 performance and a 93 race tune. We're going to go to the race tune, check that. And we are gonna continue. I got 93 in the tank, so we should be ready. And look at this. I don't even have to plug it into a computer. Upload straight from the cloud. Very, very nice. Okay, it's done loading that, so let's continue. All right, turn the vehicle on. Keys in, just turn it on, don't press the clutch or anything. We're not starting the car, we're just gonna keep this on. Continue. Alright, so we're gonna use our 93 race tune. Alright, now it wants me to turn it off. Alright, the car is off. Wait for everything to power down, all my cameras and stuff. Let's actually unplug that. Alright, now let's turn it back on. Wait for that to stop beeping. Alright, wants me to turn it back off again. Alright, programming complete. You may turn off the key now. Alright, let's turn it off. Click done. Alright, think we should give it a go and see if she starts up. Alright, starts right up. Everything's up and running. That's good. Alright, guess we're good to go. Alright, guess it's time to drive it and see how she runs.